What's up, everybody? Welcome back to 3T Perspective. So today, as promised, we're going to do a Cosmic Unity by Nike. Before I go into anything else, I want to tell you to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't already done so, man, we do so many sneaker reviews and we break down the shoes whether we like them or don't. And also, if you haven't already done so, hit that like button. Helps our videos get out to the masses and helps us know what you like and what you don't like. With no further ado, let's get into the shoe. This is the Cosmic Unity and its nickname is Pomegranate. So when I found these shoes, they were called Apricot. So it was weird, but that's the color they use was apricot, but it's a pomegranate shoe. I'm going to explain. You'll get it once we look around the shoe. So just stay tuned and watch the shoe. But here's a quick look around the shoe. We did another Cosmic Unity, the amalgam colorway. Super dope. Go check that out on the channel. We'll post it here. But this shoe is the same design, kind of the same layout. It has that Nike regrind on the midsole. It has those cord-like yarn pieces throughout the shoe. This shoe has so many hidden features up on it, and I can't wait to get into it. And this first hidden feature is why I kind of got these shoes. You see on the tongue there, it says figure 3, and that is a pomegranate tree. And you see a big pomegranate on the side of that tree. I think that was super nice and super creative of Nike to kind of incorporate the colorway of the shoe into the shoe. I like shoes that have a little bit of story behind them, a little bit of flavor that's not just a shoe. Of course, this is a Nike basketball shoe. I like on the laces how they kind of gave those rainbow spackle colors. On that outsole, it's like a lime glow green, and it has the 001 because this is the first Cosmic Unity design. So all your Cosmic Unities, the first edition will have those 001s throughout the entire shoe. So as you can see, they got the 001 up here too. Cosmic Unity up there. And I think that's super creative when you're talking about having multiple versions and multiple designs of a shoe to keep the design aesthetics the same, but to add these little cues. Like we said, that pomegranate on the tongue was a perfect cue. That Nike strobo unit, you can see it from the bottom of the outsole, see-through. And they had the 2021 right there on the bottom. And other than the style shoe, I think that herringbone grip on the outsole will be perfect to hoop in. This is my second favorite part of the shoe. On the insole of this shoe, they have pomegranate. And they have a scientific name. You have a part of use. And then you have the habitat it grows in. And I thought that was super creative to add that inside of it. It's like a message. And that is what kind of that shoe revolves around, that design cue, that message. And it kind of has a story to me. So I really enjoyed this shoe. I think this shoe was super slept on when it came to that. So if you haven't already, give these shoes a try. I think they'll be great on court. You can look up these shoes through the color name, which is apricot, or the colorway, which is pomegranate. So look up Cosmic Unity Pomegranate or Cosmic Unity Apricot, and you should be able to find these shoes if you want to try them out. There's a black colorway coming out. It's called like Ghost colorway. It's fire to me. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully I can get those and we can do a review of them. I'm just really interested in how you think these shoes performed. If you had good traction, if they were comfortable, if they gave you a good bounce, if the shoe was stable on your foot and kind of, was able to be responsive. Just let me know what you think about this shoe. Other than that, y'all, thank you. Stay tuned for the next video, and y'all have a great day. Deuces.